So in HTML, there are multiple kind of things. The one is HTML tag. This is root level tag. In the part of HTML tag, there is one tag called header tag, and one more tag called body tag. And then inside header tag, we will be having title tag. Inside the body, we will be having all our elements related to the page related. And fine, I just want to go with some more kind of tags today, like text decoration tags.
Yeah.
Then we will go with hyperlinks. We will go with list items. We'll go with the text decoration tags. There are multiple kind of text decoration tags which are going to be available. And there are multiple kind of hyperlinks which are going to be available. And there are multiple type of list items which are going to be available. Coming to the text decoration tags, one is the B tag for bold text. And the U tag for underlined text. And HR for horizontal row. And one more is called center tag. We already done with the center tag. Then what is a strong tag? Strong for strong text. Strong text. One more called mark tag. Marked text. And one more is sub tag. Subscription text or subscripted text. And one more is sup tag. Superscripted text. Yeah, so let me go with all this kind of tags and the I tag for italic text. EM tag, EM for emphasized text. Let's see one by one. Let me save the notes. Desktop, Avi. And let me create a new folder for today. 21 by 1. And this will be notes. Then I'm going to be taking a new file, which is going to be text decoration. Text.html. And I'm trying to writing all the text decoration tags without writing HTML, head, body, all these things. Directly I can able to write. So this is bold text. And can I give the break tag? So BR is going to be there. And one more text, underlined text. Underlined text. And one more is I tag, italic text. One more is sub tag, subscripted. And let me write something like Avinash here, or just Avi. And I'm giving you something like Sridhar. And finally, there is one tag called superscripted text. SUP, superscripted. And this will be a SUP, superscripted text. After that, I want to take a strong text. Strong open, strong close. Strong text. And let me go with one more thing like underline. Yeah, underline is there. And there is one text called a deleted text. Deleted text. And one more called marked text. And one more called EM, emphasized text. So let me see. Let me show all this kind of tags which are going to be working for HTML. how these particular tags are going to be work for us. And for every time I'm taking a break because of this is plain text. Whenever you have the plain text, definitely we need to mark or take a break. Let me render this. I got multiple kind of text now. The first one is a bolded one, bold text. Second one underlined, and third one italic. Can you see and observe? First one bold. This one is underlined. This is italic. This is subscripted, and this is superscripted. Subscripted nothing but under the line it is coming. Superscripted and on top of the line it is coming. Strong look like bold basically, and deleted, marked, and emphasized. There are multiple kind of text decoration tags. There are multiple kind of text decoration tags, and there is a one more called HR. How HR will be? HR is horizontal row. That's it. And this is only open tag. BR is only closed tag, and HR is only open tag. And HR is going to be giving you. HR is going to be giving you some horizontal row. And fine, this is what actually the text to decoration tags are. And let me go with some other thing like list items. What are the different kind of? Before that, hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are nothing but anchor tags. Anchor tag is nothing but A tag. It could be like this: A open and link name and A close. And for this A, we need to specify one special attribute called href. Href is something like a link address. We need to specify the link address. And there is one more special attribute for hyperlink is called target attribute. Target is equal to, there is a blank value for this. Blank page, whenever you want to take, you can go for it. Target. And let me show how these hyperlinks are going to be working. Then say which has a tag .html and a href, and I will take something like google.com. Let me take google.com. Copy this Google, paste to here, and this is pretty close. Google. Say open the browser, and if I click on Google, it is going to be communicating with the Google page. From our web page, we are navigating to the Google page. From our web page, we are navigating to the Google page with hyperlinks. And href is a special attribute. Okay, so I want to open this Google into the new tab. Whenever you want to open this Google into the new tab, you need to make a special attribute called a target attribute. Target is equal to underscore blank. A method is target is equal to underscore blank. So when I say Google with new tab, BR, and Google with new tab, Let me show this. First one is opening with the same tab. Can you see and observe? This is the page, web page, A tag, Google. Google is opening in the same tab. But if I'm clicking on the second link, second hyperlink is actually connecting with another page. Another tab it is taking. See, there are two tabs on the top of your browser. So a new tab got placed for us. This is our previous application, previous web page. And Google is taking your new tab over there. Can you see this one? So if you want to open a new tab, then we need to definitely go with the target method. Target underscore blank. And from this hyperlinks, hyperlinks, I can able to load our HTML content also. A href is equal to, I just want to open my text decoration. So whatever the HTML I created, text to decorations, text to decoration tags dot html. I got one HTML file in my folder, and this is my HTML. Any kind of content you can able to load. I'm trying to loading the HTML content here. Just refresh it. Oh my god. I need to take a break for this. Take a break of it. Then finally, we will be having a third hyperlink. This hyperlink is connecting our HTML content. This is connecting with the Google. This is connecting with the new tab Google. And this is communicating with our HTML. Whatever the HTML I created previously, that HTML got linked. This is what hyperlinks are basically. Different kind of list items. Different kind of list items. Okay. What are the different kind of list items which are going to be available? The one is ordered list. The one is unordered list. The one is definition list. So how to work with ordered list, how to work with unordered list, how to work with the definition list. Ordered list creating with OL, unordered list creating with UL, definition list creating with DL. Okay. What is happening with the order list? You can able to create some order. Okay, let me create some order list. Order list open, order list close. Inside order list, I'll be placing LI. LI open, LI close. LI means list item. Inside order list, we will be having multiple kind of LI tags. Multiple number of LI tags. Okay, so LI, in number of LI you can able to fix. This is one kind of list item. This is called ordered list. Unordered list, nothing but. Unordered list is going to be having UL. Inside UL, you'll be having a lot of LIs. And this will be very, very simple. And you'll be having, instead of order list, I'm taking the unordered list. Unordered list is going to be UL tag. UL open, UL close. That's all enough. So let me go and check with the programs. And definition list. Definition list basically giving a list of definitions. It is going to be having two kind of child level tags. Previous one, order list and order list, only one child. This time it is going to be having two kind of childs. One is the DL, DT, DD. DT is the definition title. DD is the definition data. DT is the definition title. DD is the definition data. Okay, we'll be having a lot of definition titles and definition data like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let us move and try to work out all these list items now. Let me take a new program, and it's going to be having list items. List items .html. Okay, so the first one is heading. I'm taking ordered list. Ordered list. Okay, for this I'm taking multiple kind of ordered list. Okay. Order list. This one is order list, right? I'm just copying the content and pasted here. Okay, first LI something like Avi, and second LI something like Srini, and third LI something like Mark. Okay, so these are the multiple kind of order, and this is going to be printed. Can you see this output? Avi, Srini, Mark, and I can able to give this order list with the multiple properties. So some attribute like list. Type we can mention. Type A. Type A is capitals, all capitals you can do. Okay.
Okay.
So, and yeah. And you can go with the small letters also. Type small letters. You can go with the small a, and order is going to be taken by A, B, C. And there is one more attribute like reversed. Reversed. You can guess to be reversed. You can give the reverse values 3 to 1. And there is, yeah.
How about bullets and?
Yeah, bullet and all we will say in the CSS, in the part of CSS.
Okay. Okay.
And type, and this will be start with something like 10. I'm just giving the start with the value 10, 11, 12 got taken. This is what actually the order list is. And then I will go with unordered list. Ordered. So I'll take unordered now. Unordered list is something like UL open, UL close, unordered list. Okay, so we have already content for unordered list. I'm just taking the same thing. Or you can take the order list content here, this one, put in an order list. This one, now this time it is UL open, UL close, unordered list. Okay, so now you can see unordered list, you can see dots. You can see dots. And there is a definition list now. Which one? Definition list. In definition list, I will go for definition title, DL open, DL close. First of all, DL open, DL close. Inside the DL tag, I want to take a DT and DD. DT is definition title, DD is the definition data. And what is DT? Definition title, for example, HTML, and definition data, hypertext, markup, language. And this is DTDD. Finally, I will go for the DTDD again, and I'll go with the DTDD. Then finally, we will be having the definition list and HTML I got taken. But if you want, you can change this one to CSS. You can change this one to JS. The data, whatever you want, you can just make it place. A lot of definitions you can place with the definition list. And so these are the multiple kind of elements which are going to be done so far. The next concept is actually basically images. How to store images, how to place images, and images. Images loading with IMG tag, IMG SRC self-close tag. SRC, we need to specify the path of the image.
Yeah.
So let me show this. img.html. Okay, img and src is equal to. Let me take one simple image there. Okay, so HTML. I'm going to be taking some image there. Copy image address and paste here in this. Open in default browser. I got default browser now. Sorry. Yeah, I got my image right. I got my image to okay. And if you don't want to show that much size, big width, you can mention width 200 pixel, height 200 pixel. I'm just mentioning the pixels for that. And when I take pixels, automatically the size is very, very less. And you can make adjust the size.
Okay.
And done this one. And the first one I want to go with 200. Second one I want to go with 100. And third one I want to go with 50 pixel. 50 pixel, yes. Finally, there are multiple images I want to show. I got three images now. SRC. SRC, nothing but a special attribute called source.
Source.
With source, I can able to place all these things. And yeah, so if I want to take image from my folder, let me download some image. Let me download some image into my folder. Save image as in Avi class in 21st. And this one is something like 1. Saved it. And I got saved 1.jpeg into my folder. And try to load that image. 1.jpeg. So take a break. After that, img src is equal to 1.jpeg. Yeah, this is, I downloaded one image into my folder. Today's our folder is 21st by 1. In that folder, I got an image, this one, right? This is a bigger image, but size you can make it adjust. Possible, right? Width 400.
Can we write that in the bottom?
Means?
Like in a different line about width and height.
Yeah, that's your wish. You can. Okay. Then you can. Okay, so that's it. So then combination you can do, like when you do practice, what you do is you do combined headings, images, paragraphs. You create some portfolios, your photo, your description, and your friend photo description. You try to do practice like that. One simple template you do with the scroll, list of your friends' images, list of your colleagues, whatever you do, you can do that. Some simple assignments you do.
Yeah.
Just make it practice, hands-on. HTML will come with only hands-on. Whenever you're writing, whenever you're typing in keyboard, automatically HTML will. It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
And one more concept, I will show how to load this image from the folder. So basically, where is our folder? I will show our folder. So this is our folder, right?
Yeah.
And here in our folder, this is our today's folder. Today's folder, I will create a new folder basically called images.
Images.
From the folder images, I want to load some image. Okay, first of all, I will save one image into our folder. Let me save some image, different image. Let me take orange image now and save image as in the images folder. And this one is 2. Save it. Save it. Now 2.jpeg. 2.jpeg basically available in folder.
Yeah.
2.jpeg available in our folder, but I try to load that one. img src and images / 2.jpeg. Can we see this? This image is loading from folder. Multiple ways to work out images. Third image, third image got loaded from the folder. First three images are loading from URL, internet connection. Without internet connection, these images can't show. And these 2 images, our local images, local folder images. And this is coming from same folder. This is coming from separate images folder. There are 2 or 3 ways which are available. To try to practice all these things. And find, suppose there is some path issue I got. Let me take a width less, width 300 pixel, height 200 pixel. What is my plan is, if I'm not having image, somehow image is not loading, path missing, nothing but some image wrong. So spelling mistake, JPG I'm giving. And then I can able to work with one more attribute called alt. So path missed, alternate message. If image is not loading, alternate message can show. There is a one more attribute. Yeah. So can you see this second image is not loading? Box.
Okay.
A box got created, but image is not loading. When some image is not able to get and not able to come, image loading error, whatever you want, you can show. Image loading error, path missed enough. Okay, so this is a way of working on images.